Hello, loves. I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. Hello, everyone. I have the Jane Agenda Planner and Lifestyle subscription box, and this is an unboxing for June. Let's get planning. So we're going to go ahead and open up this gorgeous, gorgeous box. Isn't this pretty? Love her packaging. This is a beautiful rose motif here on the front of the box and even on the side of the box. So you have the janeagenda.com. I think this is such a gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we have for June. If this is your first time to Ink on Paper, welcome. Every month I do a Jane Agenda unboxing for the subscription box, and we open this up. This is a beautiful, beautiful packaging. Jane Agenda is known for her beautiful packaging and her gorgeous planner accessories. I'm trying to open this up without tearing it because I really do like this. But it looks like I might have to see how can I get it open. Ah, great, marvelous. All right, so let's see what we have. Oh, look at the beautiful things. So we're going to go ahead and pull everything out, and we're going to go through this one item at a time. So we always start with her little card here. This card tells you exactly what is in the box. It is called the subscription box tour card, and I'm going to go ahead and peel this open and see what do we have. You may not find Wi-Fi in nature, but you will find a stronger connection. Very, very cute. Love this. And on the back, it has all the list of the items here inside the box. So we're going to go through each of these, and I'm going to leave this out so I know what we're looking at. So the first thing up are these quote cards, and these are gorgeous to put in your planner for those of you who like to have these little things inside your planner, or you can put them up in a nice little frame. It's nice. That would be pretty. They have these gorgeous little frames that would fit this, and you could put this in. This one says collect beautiful moments. Most of them normally don't have anything on the back. This one is closed for spiritual maintenance. Oh, I love this one. And I'll see, I think I'm going to put this one in a nice little frame. I love this one. And then she has a little month of the calendar that she has in all of her subscription boxes. And those are our quote cards. So we'll put those over there. Another item she always have in her subscription box are these beautiful paper clips. So we're going to take a look at these. Okay, so this says Arrow paper clips, and take a look at these. Are they just gorgeous? I love her paper clips. They are so creative and gorgeous. She has them in silver and in black, and this time it's in gold. Isn't that pretty? And that's what it looks like on the back. These will be perfect to divide off your paperwork in your planner, or just to use as a nice little cute tag so you can go to a certain area or section. Beautiful. Simply gorgeous. Okay, so now we have the sticky notes. Now each each subscription box that I've received so far had post-it notes. And the last one, I was really excited because they were black. That was for the May box. This is very, very different. It's like craft paper. So we have our sticky notes here, and we have our paper arrows. And now we come to the Pentel Energel Liquid Gel Ink Pen in brown. So we are going to test this out. Another item that so far she had in each of the subscription boxes are pens. And let's see what this writes like. Oh, isn't that pretty? And it's in brown, guys. Like it said, it's in brown. And this is gorgeous. It writes so smoothly. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Love this. This is very pretty. The black with the gold, the detail at the bottom. And very nice. And this is the Pentel Energel Liquid Gel Ink Pen. So next we have a luggage tag in Robin's Egg Blue. Okay, so Robin's Egg, teal or turquoise, those are I love those colors. And this is the luggage tag. Okay, this is different. It's very nice though, good quality. I'm not sure if this is leather. It doesn't state, but it feels like it. It's very pliable, very strong. So this make a great luggage tag. And I love the silver detail, the buckle. And this is pretty sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it being torn off your luggage. This is really, really nice. I love the color. Robin Egg Blue. So we have that. This is our gold foil non-lamb vellum dashboard called Fireflies, and our white ink non-lamb vellum called Less Scrolling. So the first one is this one, which is the gold foil called Fireflies. Isn't that pretty? It's gorgeous. Very, very pretty. And then on the back. So that's the first one. And the second one is the white ink non-lamb vellum Less Scrolling. Oh, you can really see that under the light. Very pretty. Less scrolling, more living. I like that. And this is perfect to go on top of that card too. You can see how that goes together like that. Very nice. I like how that pairs together. It's very pretty. So next we have this beautiful dashboard with the gold foil, and we're going to take this out of the package and see what this is about. So the first thing we have is the vellum sheet with the gold foil. Isn't that pretty? I love this. This is gorgeous. You can put this on top of any of the dashboard that you have, and this would be gorgeous. I love the shine on that. Isn't that pretty? This is really, really nice. So let's say that you wanted to put it on top of this one. And that doesn't look too bad, but I probably wouldn't do that. It's a little bit too busy. But this will pair with a gorgeous dashboard, and it look very, very nice. So we have that. And then we have the cardstock that says disconnect to reconnect. And on the back, it have 12 ways to digital detox. Okay, so relearn to entertain yourself without a screen. Read, write, draw, meditate. I like that. That was number 1. Number 3 is limit social media and email usage. Okay, check 1 or twice a day. Give yourself 5 minutes time limit or delete accounts. Number 5 is make your bedroom a no-tech zone. Charge your phone. Keep all tech outside of the bedroom. That's pretty nice. So it goes on with all kinds of different ways that you can detox, digital detox, that is. I think that is nice. I like that. Definitely use that. So that's what we have there. So I'm noticing a theme here so far. It looks like it's everything has to do with taking a trip so far. And this one is the United States time zones. So this is a nice little dashboard. Laminated vellum dashboard, USA time zones map. And you know, this is very useful because it's always times when I need to know how many hours ahead or behind a certain state is. So this is very, very handy. So yes, I like that. So next, it looks like we have a planner page. So let's see what this is about. Okay, so this right here is a little card. Around the corner, there may wait a new road or secret gate by J.R.R. Tolkien. And on the back, it says, "Forget me not, a love letter for packing for a trip." Haha, need that. Yes, this is definitely trip related, this subscription box. So these are some handy inserts that she put in here that will really help you pack for your trip and get ready for your trip. So examples, items to remember if you're going camping: bug spray, sunscreen, trash bags, first aid kit, lighter, shovel and bucket, sleeping bags, lantern and flashlight. At the beach, sunscreen, beach toys, umbrella, beach towels, water shoes, book and sunglasses, and car trip, snacks, napkins and tissues, drinks, car-friendly activities, blanket, and proof of insurance. That is so, so helpful. And here it gives you instructions on how you use the form and how you fill it out. And this is what it looks like. So it says, don't forget up here in beautiful script, trip dates, location, activities expected weather, number of days and nights, number of people, and number of pets. And then here in your first section, you have documents and important items. The second section, you have all your toiletry and bathroom items you can list. And this checklist is for your clothing, shoes, and accessories. Let's see what's on the back. It continues with electronics list, entertainment, food and beverages, carry-on during trip items, health and wellness, and miscellaneous. So this is a well written out or formatted form that you can use to prepare for your trip, because we all need those lists, because I always forget something and I always have a list, so I will be prepared and have everything that I need. Another tip too that I use is I pack for my trip one day at a time. I don't do it all at once. So I would take out my suitcase and put it on the side, and then that day I would say I would pack all of my toiletries. And I take my time so I won't forget, check my list, and put all of my toiletries in there. Then the next day it would be shoes, and the next day it would be electronics, that kind of thing. Because I have found that if I do it that way, I'm not stressing, I'm not rushing, and I have everything that I need, and I haven't forgotten anything. And a list is always, always, always very useful during that time frame, instead of trying to do it all in one night. Too stressful. I always forget something when I try to do it all in one night. And the next thing we have is planner inserts, which are journal notes. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so these are insert sheets for those who likes to journal or just want to write something down, not really journaling. I'm not a journalist, but I love writing things down or creating a list of some sort. But it has your months up at the top, and then your days of the week 1 through 31, and days of the month 1 through 31. And then it's a dot grid. It has a little space here. I'm not sure if you want to write a title there, whatever this page is going to be designated for. So if I wanted to create another thing, a travel thing, like for instance our itinerary or things that we want to do, then I would circle a month and circle the days that probably we'll be doing those items, and then I would title here our agenda, travel agenda, and then format or create a travel agenda on here. That's what I would use it for if I was traveling. But these are journal pages. You can use these however way you want. It's the same format on the back of the sheet, so you have double the pages, and I'm thinking this may be about 20 pages, so that gives you 40 front and back sheets that you can use for your journaling. Well, that would do it for this unboxing for June. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload videos like this and much, much more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really did see some great things in here that will be very useful for traveling this year. We also have some gorgeous vellum sheets and some gorgeous dashboards. These paper clips are really, really pretty. Love her paper clips, and the post-it notes, very, very nice. So that's what we have for this June unboxing. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.